If y'all been watching my videos, then you know that my husband's been giving me lessons on the grill. Well, I'm about to go make some chicken on this grill all by my little lonesome. So here we go. I've got 8 fresh chicken thighs here that I had just picked up from the grocery store, and I am going to go ahead and trim that fat off. They put a lot of fat on these chicken thighs. They just tuck it under and they charge us for it. I think I've said that before, but it's so true. Now, I've done this recipe before. This is my husband's recipe, and it's definitely worth sharing again. So we use Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning. Just go lightly on there. And then next, grab some seasoned salt. Go lightly with that seasoned salt. This would be a high sodium content, but oh my goodness, it's so good. This is my absolute favorite way to eat chicken thighs, and you can also do these in the oven as well. Now my grill is up a little past 350, so it's ready to go, because you want this grill, you want to keep it at 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put these chicken thighs on that top rack, close that grill, and we're going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes with the skin side up. And then we're going to flip them. And these will cook for another 20 to 25 minutes on the other side. And I don't want to give my husband a big head, but he is really great on the grill, the electric smoker, and he used to have another, like an old wood smoker, and he is just amazing with meats. But please don't tell him I said that. Now, you do want to check on these about 15 minutes in, 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure they're not burning on that side or getting too brown. And then again, we're going to cook them with the skin side down for about 25 minutes. And then after that, we're just going to flip them again. Let them cook for another good 10 to 15 minutes. And voila! It looks amazing, it smells good, and y'all, you have got to try this chicken. Everyone who eats his chicken, his recipe, they just go on and on about it. We've even had people tell us they thought it was fried. This is so good. I hope y'all have a good evening.